maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya sunod ka lang sa hits. Yeah, yako din mag-bridge ka sa iyo kung mainis. Na busy yun di shit pero wala akong nag-miss. Na wag kang makinig, gusto ko lang na mag-release.
Right, so kumusta guys? So in this video, I'll explain my vocal mixing process inside a modern rap song. Alright, so let's get started. So ipi-play ko muna itong track from hook 1 up to the first verse lang para meron kayong idea sa flow na itong track. And shout out to Amigo Cholo for letting me use this track for this video. Let's play.
Maging rich, yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya sunod ka lang sa hits. Yeah, yako din mag-bridge ka sa iyo kung mainis. Na busy yun di shit pero wala akong nag-miss. Na wag kang makinig, gusto ko lang na mag-release. Na I get nervous on the daylight, I would got my chest tight. Put me in my zone and I will show you all my best sides. Yeah, everybody can be a snake bite. Remember all my past life. Give you off my bread and you just got me on the same night. Damn. Every life gon' with the same fright. You to say the same like, no, I'm on my own right. Took me on some tears, but I don't think I need your goodbye. No.
Okay, so now I will explain the vocal chain sa main hook vocals. Turn off ko na lahat ng mga plugins.
Maging rich, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya sunod ka lang sa hits.
First plugin is NS1 to reduce the background noise. Second is Auto-Tune, naka medium range yung speed ito. Next naman is Vitamin Stereo, boosting up sa my top end konti. Fourth is Neo Old Big Al. This is to add a subtle distortion sa vocals.
Yeah. Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit.
Next up is EQ, low cut and a little high boost sa top end.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits.
Next naman is SSL EQ. I'm boosting konti sa highs, mid-range, and subtle reduction sa my low end. Also a light compression here.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya.
Next is Dopamine. This is to add extra brightness sa vocals.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya sunod ka lang sa hits. Yeah, yako din mag-bridge ka sa iyo kung mainis. Na busy yun di shit pero wala akong nag-miss.
Next is our comp. Very light compression lang.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits.
Next is another compressor which is emulation ng 1176 by Arturia. This is their Comp FET 76. Naka-slow attack, fast release, and 4:1 ratio.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya.
Next is CLA 2A from Waves para maging tight yung overall compression.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya sunod ka lang sa hits. Yeah, yako din mag-bridge ka sa iyo kung mainis.
Next naman is Doubler 2. I always use this to make the vocals slightly wider.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin ng hits, ikwento lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kaya sunod ka lang sa hits. Yeah, yako din.
So RDSer naman ang next. Simple and basic de-essing lang for this one.
Okay na sa piskate, sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawin gagawa ng hits kahit 50 lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit.
Next is reverb. I am using Valhalla. So these are my settings. Naka 6 to 10% ang mix. Tas naka low cut sa EQ.
Okay na sa pitch kahit sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawa ng hits kahit 50 lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kahit sunod ka lang sa hits. Yeah, ayoko din mag-preach kasi ayokong mainis. Nah, busy yun di shit pero wala akong nag-miss. Nah, wag kang makinig.
Last in the chain is H delay, ping pong mode, and naka quarter note delay ito. And naka filter din ito.
Okay na sa pitch kahit sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawa ng hits kahit 50 lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang bakit kahit sunod ka lang sa hits. Yeah, ayoko din mag-preach kasi ayokong mainis. Nah, busy yun di shit pero wala akong nag-miss. Nah, wag kang makinig, gusto ko lang nang mag-release.
Next is hook doubles. Same vocal chain from the main vocals. In-adjust ko lang yung levels or volume neto. And I've added a little micro shift for each doubles.
Yeah. Okay na sa place kahit sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawa ng hits kahit 50 lang na beats. Yeah, hype ka lang.
And sa adlibs naman is the same lang din, halos ng vocal chain, but I replaced the H delay with an Echo Boy from Sound Toys. And as you can see, naka-ping pong mode din ito. And naka-turn up yung mix and feedback to make the delays move around.
Okay na sa place kahit sunod na maging rich. Yeah, gagawa ng hits kahit 50 lang na beats. Yeah.
So dito sa verse naman is also the same chain from the main hook. But I replaced again the dopamine into a Mag EQ4. And also for the reverb, I lowered it down konti dito sa mix.
I get nervous on the daylight. Habits got my chest tight. Put me in my zone and I will show you all my best sides.
And also for the verse doubles is pretty much the same lang din from the hook doubles. I just balance into taste sa main verse vocals.
I get nervous on the daylight. Habits got my chest tight. Put me in my zone and I will show you all my best sides. Yeah.
And for the verse adlibs naman is nakaroute ito sa effects ng hook adlibs. So basically they're exactly the same.
R.I.P. to the guy I'll never be. Yeah, MIC, take the mic and we go see. Yeah, all I see is the guy I want to be. Yeah, DM me if you want to fuck with me.
Okay, so that's it for today guys. I hope you get some new learnings from this type of mixing. And if nakatulong tong video sa inyo, please leave a like and subscribe ka na din if di ka pa nakasub sa channel ko. Alright, see you all again next time guys. Happy mixing and bye-bye.
Yeldo on the track.